It's incredible what she's done with flowers, dried flowers, and then just her beautiful emphasis on life. Yeah, really liked it.
I have a membership here at Meyer Gardens, and I have the add a guest, and I said, I have to bring my friend, and we need to share this together. This is probably my 5th time to be here, and I just am stunned over and over. It's a very emotional, beautiful experience. The whole idea of the womb being a safe place, a place where you're sheltered and cocooned and nourished. I loved pregnancy, and so I think I connected a lot with that.
I don't know what to say, but other than it's really cool.
Just the beauty of the flowers, the craftsmanship that she and the hours that she put into it. Just amazing, really beautiful.
Pine cones, flowers.
It looks like an ocean.
I like the heartbeat sound that it plays.
Just very stunning.
Yeah.
It really is a very emotional experience.
Yeah.
You just don't walk through without a response, I don't think.
Right.
I hope to come 5 or 10 more times.
Yeah, so grateful that Meyer Garden brings in things like this.